Usapang utang naman tayo, lend versus borrow. Nagagamit mo ba sila ng tama? Don't worry, I got you. Dito muna tayo sa lend. So, it is when you give something. Ikaw ang nagpapahiram o nagpapautang. Like, ikaw yung pabibo. Ikaw ang generous. Ikaw yung may pera at may gamit this time. Example, I will lend you my eyeliner kasi I trust you not to lose it. Diba? While borrow is when you ask for something. You take something. Ikaw ang hihiram o uutang. Ganon. Like you're humble, you're the one na, uy, can I have it muna? Ikaw yung nangangailangan. Example, can I borrow your power bank? Promise I'll return it. Ganon. Again, pag lend, ikaw ang giver. You lend something to someone. No? Borrow naman, ikaw ang taker or beggar. Char. You borrow something from someone. Okay po? Now you know the T. Don't be grammar confused na ha. Pero ganun pa man, lend or borrow pag utang, huwag kinakalimutan. Bayad-bayad din pag may time. Okay? O siya, like, follow, and share naman dyan for more English vocabulary discussions in Konyo Way. Yun lang muna. Bye!